How you doing, guys? Good morning. Just finished the inaugural marathon season run. Got back early because I got to go to work. Wanted to show you guys the setup early in the morning here at the Pearl. Give me just a minute. No holster this morning. And there you go. All before everything gets set up. Good morning, guys. Good, good. Not everybody's set up yet. Seems to be a cooler day, so it might be more people that come out on cooler days when the sun comes out a little bit later. Right. And that infamous beautiful park. An infamous beautiful park we get to see every time we get done running. Outstanding. The calm before the storm. Alright, let me take you guys back the other way. Look at the bird. Overall, I gotta say, without a doubt, another wonderful Saturday morning. Blessed with my health. Blessed with everything I got. Big old fan. Like I said, just still setting up. Oh, whatever the heck that is, that smells good. Oh, I got it. Almost. There you go. Yep. And everybody's filled in yet. Morning. Way early. Before the farmer's market gets started. Take you guys into where we do the meetups for the Saturday runs. For now, the Pearl was cool as all get out, and they gave us a little space for us to use in the mornings. Like I run the group. Outdoor bathrooms. More wading pool for the kiddies. Little nature space with some greenery. Now, this grass is fake, but it's beautiful. Beautiful space. Oh, look. Yep. Big old fans. It's an indoor-outdoor area. Got the Pearl here. Hey, how you doing, guys? Morning. Got some other runners. And you got our little corner. And of course the signs. And then the San Antonio Marathon. Alright guys, that's what I got for you this morning. Hope you enjoyed it. I did, definitely. And I'll catch you on the next one. Alright, go get you some outdoor therapy.